Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you verbal phrases to algebraic expression, the same topic, but this is part 2. The same motivation, the same essential skills that you should have. Okay, we have not discussed power and equals, diba? Because in my first video, in the part 1, I have just discussed the 4 fundamental operations. But now I'll be discussing the 2, power and equals, because it's important now to include equal sign. The phrases, the verbal cues, no, clues that would define equal sign must be discussed as well. Okay, so for power, easy lang actually guys ang power. Easy as 1, 2, 3. So if you will read the square of basic, of course, we have 2 as the exponent. Squared, the cube of or cubed. So it's 3, diba? So let's have example. Basic lang actually ang power. I have examples yesterday. I mean in the part 1 of the video. So please watch. If you have not watched the part 1, please do because I have discussed there the 4 fundamental operations. Now, dalawa lang po. So let's have example. The square of a number less 2. So the square of a number, di ba? Nagamit ang term nga square. So meaning, we will use the exponent 2. Then the next question, do we know the number at the moment? Alam ba natin ang number? Hindi. So we use a variable, x, y, or a to z. Any variable will do. But we're used to using x. So, di ba? So, the square of a number. Pero may continuation pa guys. Less 2. Di ba? Kung less, it's just subtraction. So, minus 2. And that's it. This is just the algebraic expression that we need. Diba? Basic na basic lang. Okay, example number 2. 9 exceeds. Ay, may mga clue na no. Exceeds meaning it's plus, diba? Again, if you have not watched the first video, the part 1 of this one, so please do watch before this. Okay, 9 exceeds a number cubed. A number cubed. So, 9, when we say exceeds, it's plus a number cubed. We don't know the number, so let's use y, a number cubed. And that's it. That's just it. Ganyan lang ka-basic. Ha? Again, for power, square, squared. So, 2 ang exponent. Cube of cubed, 3 ang exponent. Raised to the power of 4, raised to the power of 5, 4 ang exponent, at 5 ang exponent consecutively. Diba? Ganyan na ganyan lang ka-basic. Now, for the third question, kabaliktaran. We are given algebraic expression and we translate it to verbal phrases. So, kung ako ang patranslate nito, basic lang na translation. Diba? Twice x squared minus 1. Ganyan lang. Twice x squared minus 1. Or the difference of twice x squared and 1. Ganyan na ganyan lang po ka-basic. Diba? Very basic. Now, let's proceed to the last one, the equal sign. I forgot to teach you this yesterday, no? Ang equals, pero importante kasi ito in solving mathematical equation. Diba? So, equal sign. Ano ang dapat nating makita ng mga words na mag-signify ng equals? So, we have equals, of course. 3 plus 3 equals 9. So, of course, we have equal sign. Is also equivalent to equal. Ha? Is na linking verb. 3 and 3 is 6. So, it's just 3 plus 3 equals 6. Ha? Remember this. Is just the same as equal. We also have is the same as. So, 4 plus 3 is the same as 7. So, the same way lang na siya. The same way lang po yan sa pag-say na equal. Yields, di ba? New words for us. Yields and amounts to equal sign din sila. Okay. So, let's have examples. Okay. So, first, 3 times a number is negative 6. So, 3 times a number. So, may times na tayo. So, it's multiplication. Tapos may is tayo na word, it's equal sign. So, 3 times. So, it's 3x because we don't know the number, di ba? 3x. Tapos, is negative 6. So, again, is equal sign. So, is negative 6. And that's it. The final answer is just 3x equals negative 6. Basic. Ganyan. Basta lang, no? Like what I said, dapat alam nyo ang mga key terms na mag-correspond sa yan na operation. Okay, example number 2. 8 is the same as. Oh my, is the same as. So meaning we are having here equal sign. So 8 is the same as twice a number. Basic, sir. 2x or 2y. Sige, 2y naman tayo. Yes, that's just it. 8 is the same as twice a number. Ay, ang basic lang pala, sir. Yes! Diba, Syra? Yes! Basic lang. Diba? Hindi kayo nakakuha dito sa exam nyo kasi you don't know the terms na ang equal pala, pwede lang gamitin ang is na word, equal sign na yan. The same as, equal sign na yan. Yields, equal sign na yan. O, let's have number 3. 9 less a number amounts to 20. La, paano isulat in math? 9 less a number. So, sige, isulat natin si 9. Of course, 9. Kung less, ano nga yun? Sa first video ko, less is minus. So, 9 minus a number. Hindi natin alam ang number. So, let's use letter B muna. Amounts. Just now, we know that amounts is just equal sign. Ay, 9 minus B equals 20. And that's it. Ganyan lang po ang pag-represent sa mathematics expression. Ganyan lang ka-basic, di ba? 9 less a number amounts to 20. Yan. Ha? Ganyan lang po. Again, this is very needed. This is essential because you cannot answer the given question if you don't know how to write it mathematically. Kasi like what I said, during any exam, entrance, scholarship, hindi po diretso na lang na x plus 2 equals 5. Find x. Hindi. Usually in word problems. Tulad nito, 8 is twice the number. So, ganyan. Di ba? So, dapat alam nyo. So, for number 4, kung ako ang pa-interpreto nito, i-basic ko lang x squared plus 10 equals 3. Di ba? If I am going to have this in verbal phrases, ganyan lang. Or kung i-difficult natin, the square of a number exceeds 10 amounts to 3. Di ba? Same lang po sila na interpretasyon. Hi, basic. Yes, very basic. Now, let's try more. Here, the sum of twice a number and 10 yields to 100. Ay, basic. The sum daw. So, meaning we are adding 2. Diba? The sum of 5 and 2 is 5 plus 2. The sum of 10 and 20 is 10 plus 20. Ganyan. The sum of twice a number and 10. So, twice a number, kasi math also is more on practice. If ma-use ka na ang twice a number is 2x, 2y, 2a, 2b, ganyan, hindi na yan mawala sa isip mo. So, if twice a number, ang representation mo is 2x, yan agad. Huwag mo na i-change ng ibang variable. Okay na yan si 2x. So, twice a number, so 2x, and then, meaning we're adding them, plus 10, yields 2 is just equals to 100. And that's one. That's the answer that we want. Ganyan lang ka-basic. Okay, another one. Thrice the sum of two consecutive number is 33. Sige. So if you don't understand the question in the first reading, no, do it twice, do it thrice, and understand it. So thrice daw. So thrice, so meaning katatlo. Thrice the sum of two consecutive number. Sum, thrice, tapos may sum pa of two consecutive number. So, if we have 9, what's the next number? 10, di ba? 2 consecutive number. If we have 3, what's the next? 4. Ganyan. So, since we do not know the number, I have discussed this in my first video, let's use x. X for the first number, then x plus 1 for the second number. But we are looking for its sum. So, i-add daw muna natin. So, let's use another color. So, x plus 1. But, it's thrice. Diba? Ang nasolve pa natin is sum of two consecutive number. but it's thrice of this. So, anong ibig sabihin? So, thrice. So, 3 times that. So, thrice, the sum of the two consecutive number is, that's equal sign, 33. And this is just this one. Basic. Di ba? Basic math. I love to learn math. Math is so basic. Wow na wow, Alaksan. No? Then, try this at home. Okay, this is all already in word problems. Usually in every exam may ganitong question. Ma-entrance, ma-scholarship, maano ba na exam na i-take yung CSC, ma-let. So try this at home and comment your answer in the chat box. And congratulations for learning this topic.